Welcome back with another video. So I'm going to be doing Musical.ly tutorials. Okay, we're gonna pick a song first. If you want to follow my account, it's right there. So yeah. So let's pick a song first. I'm gonna be doing this song. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so I just finished. So this is how it looks. I'm still fighting for peace. And let's go see the tutorial. So now let's go get another song. My friend showed me this way how to do slow-mo. Is so much easier way. And you don't even have to worry about like going like this and then you move and then the slow-mo comes out back. But I know how to do it, so I'm going to show you. But let me pick a song. Oh, this one's good. It doesn't have a lot of slow-mo, but this is good. Okay, so here's the song.
Stop the world! World, stop. Carry on.
So this is going to be a good tutorial. So let's go see how it turns out.
Stop the world! World, stop. Carry on.
So I'm gonna try to find a real song that has transitioning, if I can. Okay, I'm gonna be right back with another song. So, okay, so I just figured out the song, and it's going to be this.
Baby, I just gotta know what has been going on. You've been creeping on me, now you call me baby.
Let's get started. So this is gonna take long doing the Musical.ly, so I'm just gonna go ahead and
Baby, I just gotta know. moving quicker than we are you calling me? Baby, I just gotta know how long has this been going on? Moving quicker than we are you calling me? Baby, how long has this?
I already showed you how to do the slow-mo, but I'm going to show you how to do it right now. Okay, so what you're going to do is going fast, you're going to slide your finger to slow. Then you're going to either press this button right here, or you can just press the 5-second button. And then when you come to the slow-mo, you're going to take your finger off, like this. So, yeah, like that. So, if you guys were wondering how I did it, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button, subscribe. But, one thing, I might be doing shout-outs. So, on my videos, I'll be doing shout-outs. So, whoever comments, I'll give a shout-out. So, yeah. But, thanks for watching. See you guys next time.